Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Welcome back. I'm so excited. I finally have a new video on my channel and I was so excited for you guys to watch. In this video, I'm going to go over how to double your wefts so that way you can make a wig on a mesh or a spandex dome cap. Doubling your wefts will make sure that you can fit enough bundles onto your caps when you're sewing and using the sewing machine. So if you're interested in that video, just stay tuned. Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to double the wefts for applying the wig onto the dome cap. Usually you'll double the weft when you're trying to fit multiple bundles on a unit, and I'm going to show you exactly the stitch that I'll use, the tension that I'm using, and the width that I'm using on my sewing machine. So I'm currently using the zigzag stitch, okay, and then my length is between 2 and 3. My weft is between, or is on 6. My needle position is centered and the tension is on 4. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that the wefts are parallel to each other, and you want to make sure that you put it directly underneath the footer, okay, and make sure that the thread is on the opposite end of the sewing machine. Okay, I'm going to move all hair from the footer, and I'm going to put the presser foot down. Okay, and then make sure that as you're pushing the wefts through the machine, that you're holding the wefts very close together. They should be parallel to each other. Now, I'm going to lift it up again. I don't want to have it like right at the beginning. I want to kind of have it like a few inches before the beginning of the weft, because what I'm going to do is reverse, so that way the stitch will be secure as well. Okay. Okay. Reverse. Okay, go back. Okay, so as you're doing it, your wefts should be coming on the opposite end. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like at the end. But like I mentioned, as you're going through the weft, make sure that the wefts are parallel to each other. Keep them steady. So that way they don't separate as they are pulling through the machine. And then if you need to, you can always stop in between. This is not a race. Take your time. Okay, remember as you're getting towards the end of the bundle, make sure that you do reverse to secure the stitch. Okay. Alright, and reverse. And then, and reverse. And then forward. Okay. Okay, so make sure you lift up your foot, presser foot. Alright, and then get you your scissors. Okay, cut off the thread. Okay, so I just showed how to double your wefts to make it easier to fit multiple bundles on a mesh dome cap. Okay, I probably should have used brown thread, that way you can see better, but you can see. So you just make sure that, again, the wefts are parallel to each other. That way you get the bundles together, and that is how you double a weft. I'm gonna show you some more, but I'm going to kind of speed it up after, so that way we're not here all day. Okay? See you soon. Hi everyone, so if you don't know, I make custom units, custom wigs, and I've been making wigs since 2013. I now make wigs using a sewing machine, This unit was made by me. This is a 5x5 lace closure. This is about 4 bundles. This is from Yummy Extensions, and I made this unit again making a sewing machine. So if you do not know how to make a wig or don't want to go through the trouble of making your own, feel free to email me at fayeslayscustomunits at gmail.com, or you can follow me on Instagram. It is Fayeslay Custom Units, and all of the information will be down in the description box. If you live in the New York City area, we can meet locally, so that way we can exchange the bundles. I could take your head measurements. In the future, I do hope to extend the wig customization or wig construction services to others outside of the New York City area. Once I get my website up and running, I would like to extend those services to those who don't live in New York State or New York City. So I hope that you will enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box or in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.